Hey, everybody. Good
Hi,
evening.
I'm Miriam.
I'm Chris.
We're going to be short because it took us a lot to upload
Upload the
the
video
video.
yesterday,
Yeah.
which was
But,
today.
but we're from Keto Chow.
Yes, if you're
And,
brand new to Keto Chow,
and what we've been doing right now is, oh wow,
watching a moth.
we're on the set of the Reversed TV show. And it has been really fun to hang out with a bunch of people that are here.
Yeah.
We have oops, moths in our faces.
You should talk a little bit louder until they start filming.
Okay, I'll start talking louder. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just used to being told to be quiet, and I don't want to be told to be quiet because I want to be respectful. So, there are a bunch of people that will be on the show that are just learning about keto for the first time, so that's super exciting. And there's even a couple people that are part of the staff that are learning about keto for the first time. And when you know, you know. And so, once you see how keto can help you, see blood work, see ketones, see things change, like you can't unsee that. And so it's really fun to kind of be like feeling like, well, like we felt in the beginning when we first started keto, just thinking about maybe some pitfalls that might befall us, thinking about foods that were hard or something to get over, just kind of thinking about my journey when I started keto and how far I've come. And like I've come to the place in my mind where I know what I want to eat and what makes me feel good. And it's been so long that I don't usually ever eat anything
Not supposed to.
well, I'm not supposed to, but I have chosen not to. Like I very
Yes.
rarely eat something I'm not supposed to. I mean, I don't want to eat, but it's really exciting to teach people about keto and to help them learn and grow. And so we're grateful also for you because you ask us questions and you help us learn and grow and help us find out new things. And so I'm so grateful that we get to be part of your journey and you get to be part of ours because it's just super fun.
Yeah. Well, it's also a bit surreal. I'm now trying to match Miriam's volume, so I'm sorry if I'm too loud. Anyway, it is a bit surreal to be talking to someone about the importance of protein or the importance of, eating meat and, all the different things that you can get from that sort of stuff. Sitting next to Ken Berry with Maria in the kitchen right there next to Maria Emmerich.
It's been rad.
It's been nuts. But to have such an amazing fount of knowledge available to these people. And I feel bad that Maria hasn't been able to demonstrate her cooking because cooking is such an important thing. So, which is funny because Keto Chow is based on the fact that I am lazy and don't want to cook. But I recognize the importance of cooking. I just don't have time to do it all the time. But it's interesting, learning to cook is so important for success on the ketogenic diet. And so Maria's in there. Anyway, she needs to be better utilized. But yeah, it has been super awesome to interact with the different guests. I'm like totally leaning over in my chair.
Your ear was out of the frame.
I know.
Everybody wants to see your ear.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. They're like, where's that missing ear? Oh, there it is.
Okay, here's the other one.
You got
One
two
side.
of them.
One side.
You're so lucky you have two of those.
Okay, a little bit of wind. Sorry. Anyway, so it'll be interesting to see how the sound works out with this. But so today we actually got on the set a little bit later than we have lately, which was kind of nice.
Yeah.
But we did. I mixed up some salted caramel keto chow so that people could put it in their coffee, and I don't think anybody did, which was kind of funny.
Yeah. We weren't there when they were eating coffee. That was the problem.
Well, we were there when they were doing coffee, but there wasn't any coffee.
Oh, right.
And they were shooting, and then nobody was making coffee, and it's kind of they're
It was
these
interesting how
two
things went
girls
down.
from Costa Rica that their job is to kind of clean, and
they're super cute.
they're awesome. They're really funny. They keep making fun of me. Anyhow, but yeah, they were doing other stuff, and so coffee wasn't being made, and so people were like, oh, who drank the last of the coffee? And it was totally Ken.
What the heck, Ken?
It was pretty funny. And speaking of coffee, today we got to go to it's a collective.
Coffee plantation?
Well, it was a place where a whole bunch of different farmers bring their coffee beans to get processed, to take the stuff off, to dry them, all that sort of stuff.
Well, they said it was really cool. They said there were 1,000 owners.
Yes.
So that meant there were 1,000 different coffee places.
Yeah, it's a cooperative. That's the word.
Yes, that's the word you're thinking of.
So kind of like how you'll have dairy farm cooperatives where the different farmers all kind of get together, and it's too expensive to have your own milk processing stuff, so they'll all just kind of band together and have their own thing. But same sort of thing with the coffee farmers. It was kind of funny. We went on the first part. We walked down to these settling ponds where they basically take all the water that's used and ferment out all of the stuff so that it's
they can
clean.
Put it back into the rivers or something.
Yeah, you
like
can't just
that.
dump it into the rivers.
Yeah, so they have strict laws here. That
it smelled terrible.
Yeah, it was really bad.
And all of us were like, well, we don't have COVID.
Because
we can smell it. It was pretty funny.
And there were actually some really cool ducks.
There were some funny looking
They
ducks.
had super fun feather patterns. Like they're very.
And Ken found a duck egg and totally didn't bring it back.
I thought he should have brought it back. It was just on the ground.
Yep. So I'm gonna do that so that it stops. Whatchamacallit? Yeah, it stops notifying me while we're recording. But then we got to go. We walked into a different area. Oh, the two crazy ketos are doing a live stream right now. What the heck? Anyway, well, in 30 minutes they're doing their live stream. Maybe we'll be able to pop on and talk to them for a little bit. But anyhow, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so we got to go into the area where they actually process the beans. Now, if you know us, you know we don't drink coffee. But hey, I respect your choice if you want to drink coffee.
Yeah, it was cool to see, like, they had a sun drying section where they had a bunch of different coffee beans in different sections of sun driedness. And it took they said it only took 13 days.
Yeah, and that gets the majority of the moisture out, and then they have to put them into these fired things that they use to dry it out.
The
spinny
circle
things.
spinny things, and they said that they use those for rice also, but they use something similar.
And then we got to see a bunch of stuff. But anyhow, the rest of the day was mostly we got to hang out with people. We got to help Maria cook.
Yeah.
We got to. It's been a lot of fun as well to let people try the product. A bunch of people were like, hey, can I take some home? It's like, well, we brought this here for you guys to take.
Yep.
They're like, can I really? Anyway, so is there anything else you want to talk about?
No, I think I covered it.
Okay.
If there's questions you guys want us to ask Ken or Maria, we're going to interview them tomorrow, I think. So
we're going to try and set up the interview with them tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes.
As long as they're available. So.
Yep. So anyway, thanks everybody for joining us. Let's see, for a Saturday. Saturday we'll probably have to do, so that's tomorrow after this one. We'll probably have to do a pre-recorded one as well because we'll be on the airplane.
Flying then.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
But we could even maybe do an impromptu live in the airport in Atlanta.
We're actually flying through Los Angeles. Yeah. That's our connecting flight. Okay. Anyway, thanks everybody for joining us. What?
Oh, I was just going to say after you are done, thanks everybody for joining us. Hey, have a great day. We appreciate you.
Okay.
Remember you're special and you're loved and your body deserves care and you're doing a great job. And don't
That's
give
right.
up.
Never give up.
Never surrender.
Okay, bye.
Hey everybody, we're just here on the side of is it Arenal or Atenas? We're on the side of a volcano and hanging out. We're getting ready to go up a tram ride and then a zip line down. And Miriam is super stoked about it.
I'm so stoked.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to be doing that and then we're going on a hike. right?
Okay.
Right. And there's the cool lake. It's super cool.
It looks like it's a painting.
Yep. Don't worry, we got our $2 bottles of water, and we just put daily minerals into it because we're actually still fasting.
And we still need. Yeah, we haven't eaten since Sunday and it's Tuesday.
Yep. Haven't eaten since Sunday and it's Tuesday.
Yep.
That's actually okay. I'm actually not hungry. I'm
I
thirsty.
feel really good. I'm just thirsty, yeah.
Okay, well, we'll see if we can get some footage going up and down and all around, right?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
All right.
Here to Thursday and then to Tamarindo. Tamarindo, beautiful place, Tamarindo, yeah. Nice place. It's gonna be so sunny and hot, yeah. That's dry forest. It's completely dry now.
Oh, there's the bridges.
Right here, yeah, we can see some of the hanging bridges. Also, the cable which is going through the trees up there, that's gonna be the cable number 6, which is the longest and the fastest. Almost a half a mile long. Yeah, it's a beautiful one. Going through the trees. Remember?
What's the longest zip line?
The longest is that one, the big batty. This is almost half a mile long. Well, there is one more longer, but it is part of the sky limit, the Superman one. Yeah.
Can we do that one?
Excuse me? No, we are going to the opposite side of the mountain. Yeah, the Superman is in this side of the mountain. Remember, there are 7 cables in total. The first one is just for practice. Yeah, look at the flowers of the Manteca palm, or some people call it the walking palm. Iriartea deltoidea, that's the scientific name. Yeah. So the first cable.
So I was trying to explain to my wife that the water erosion is isn't it?
Hi.
One more time.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
But it's the water erosion.
It's a hand.
Okay, Chris, Miriam, you can take your mask off. Yeah.
What?
Hi.
I don't know that I can. Let's see. Oh my gosh.
Right there.
You got stuck.
My.
Pura
My. Say, pura vida.
vida.
Whiskey, tequila.
Chancho.
Oh.
Cross your ankles, straight your arms, straight your arms.
Yeah.
Like that. Let me check it a little bit. Like that.
Too late to worry
Ready?
about that. Okay. Oh yeah.
Good job, Chris. Yeah.